I'm here with Ray Thompson, Head of Business Developments for Siemens Wind in the UK. So Ray, Siemens has recently announced that it's building a factory in Hull and it's going to take 1,000 people to fill those halls. How are you going to find the right people with the right skills to do that?
Well, as you'd imagine, since we announced the factory, we've had a fantastic response already. We've got a lot of interest from local people. A big part of the employment in the Hull facility we'll create is actually manufacturing blades. And manufacturing blades is a very labour-intensive process, but it is good sort of semi-skilled labour that should lend itself to a local workforce. So there's every opportunity for local people to be involved, go through the training processes and deliver the bulk of the workforce that we hope will be very effective in Hull.
With the relatively high labour costs in the UK and the cost of setting up such a big facility, what's going to make it cost effective to do that rather than shipping in from abroad?
Well, really there's two reasons. The first is just the sheer size of the components. The blades that we'll make in the blade facility from Hull are 75 metres long, and of course there's a big cost saving if you manufacture those components near to the wind farms that they'll be put up on. And in fact actually the UK labour is surprisingly competitive. The alternative for Siemens in the location of this plant were other European locations, and actually the UK comes out surprisingly well on those measures now.
So while there are no local sourcing laws in the UK, do you think that having a factory in the UK will help give Siemens an edge in terms of winning contracts?
Yes, we do. There are no specific local content requirements, but clearly there's a lot of pressure, both from the government and from the public indeed, to see some economic benefit coming back to the UK from the investment that the country's making in offshore wind. So we're very keen to return that benefit back to the UK.
And how can suppliers get involved in the project?
Well, a key part of our being here at the Global Offshore Wind Conference is to participate in the Share Fair session, which is the first session on the second day. So we'll be talking there about our plans for Hull and how suppliers can get engaged.